By the way, Director Casio, can you confirm the links of Lee Duan Wang to New Oriental Club 88? Mahalaga sa akin ang confirmation mula sa inyo kasi if I'm not mistaken, the bill for his citizenship is now up for the signature of the President. So may information po ba kayo dun sa Lee Duan Wang links sa New Oriental Club 88?
Yes, ma'am. We confirmed the SEC document that was shown earlier. That basically establishes its link to POGOS, ma'am.
Well, thank you so much for that. Kasi na-anticipate nyo na yung follow-up question ko o point na my understanding is Lee Duan Wang was found in a building that was raided last night. Although as of last night, wala pa pong confirmation kung may POGO. At least ngayon narinig ko sa inyo na you are confirming the SEC document that shows a link to POGO. As far as I know, no, yung raid ay bunga ng isang mission order ng BI. So itatanong ko rin mamaya sa Bureau of Immigration. Mission order ng BI na may scam operation doon. So I will pursue that point in a few minutes. Actually, if I could proceed now to the Bureau of Immigration dahil napag-uusapan na rin itong mga puntong ito. So kay Com Viado, please, no? Good morning. Ito pong raid kagabi ay base sa mission order ninyo. Tama
Yes
po ba?
That's correct po, ma'am.
Alright. Ano po yung naging intel na basehan nung operation o raid na yun?
Based on the intelligence packet po na tinatawag, kung saan yun po ang naging basehan ng issuance sa mission order, meron daw pong allegation ng ongoing na scam doon po sa particular building na yun. Yun po ang naging basehan ng mission order, Madam Senator.
At sa mismong building na yon, natagpuan nyo doon si Lee Duan Wang, tama po?
Ang natanggap po naming information is he was within the building but not within the premises of the office that was raided.
So, wala siya sa premises ng office na mismong ni-raid, pero nasa loob siya ng building, kung nasaan yung
That
office
is
na
the
yun.
information that we gathered, Your Honor.
So, bakit daw po siya nandun sa building na yon?
We never got to question the person of interest concerning that, Your Honor. Hindi po namin na-establish ang any connection between him and the corporation that was raided. Your Honor.
So, coincidence lang po, gaya ng ang business ni Lee Duan Wang ay nasa parehong building ng business ni Shi Zhejiang. Ganun po ba? Coincidence lang ba yon?
Hindi ko pa ho ma-establish, Your Honor, at this point.